In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Pumpfun create a reward. If you want to earn creator rewards on Pump.fun, the core idea is very simple. You need to launch a brand new meme coin on the platform, and during the coin creation process, you need to make sure the creator rewards option is selected. Once that's enabled, your reward is tied to trading activity, which means as people buy and sell your coin, you can earn a percentage of that transaction volume in SOL. To begin, head over to the Pump.fun website. This is the platform where you can launch and trade meme coins on Solana. Before you start, it helps to understand what you're doing here. Creator rewards are not something you turn on after the fact in a separate dashboard. They are part of the setup process when you create a new token, so the important thing is to pay attention during the launch stage. When you're ready to create your meme coin, go through the normal token setup flow on the site. As you fill in the required details for your new coin, look carefully for the Creator Rewards option. This is the setting that matters for this tutorial. Make sure it is selected before you finalize the launch. If you skip that option during setup, you may not be eligible for the reward structure tied to creator earnings, so it's worth double checking before you continue. After your coin is launched with Creator Rewards enabled, the next part depends on market activity. As your meme coin gets traded on the platform, you earn a percentage of the transaction volume in SOL. In other words, the more trading your coin generates, the more potential rewards you can receive. That means your success is directly connected to how much interest and activity your token attracts. A good practical tip here is to slow down and review everything before confirming the launch. Since this setup determines whether creator rewards are active, a quick final check can save you from mistakes. Also, remember that earnings are based on trading volume, so simply launching the coin is only the first part. The reward comes from ongoing trading activity after the token goes live. So, to recap in a straightforward way, go to Pump.fun, launch a new meme coin, select the Creator Rewards option during setup, and then as your coin is traded, you can earn a share of the transaction volume in SOL, and that's it. That's how to make Pumpfun create a reward.